Hi, today I'm going to be showing you how to set the time on a 2014 Prius C. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to have to get to our settings menu. This is a Prius C level 1. So we're going to push the display button on our steering wheel. These are the two buttons we're going to be using. We're going to be using display and trip. Display is going to be how we navigate through the menu. It's also going to be how we make selections, and trip is going to be how we adjust the hours on the clock. So we're going to press display to get to the settings menu, and then we're going to press and hold display to enter. Now we're going to press the display button to get down to our desired menu item, which is set clock. We're going to press display and hold it to make the selection. Now we want to change both the hour and the minutes, so we're going to press display to get up to the hour selection. We're going to move down to the trip button, which is right below display on the steering wheel, and we're going to push it until we reach the desired hour. We're going to go back to the display button, push it once to get to minutes. We're going to go back to the trip button and push it until we get to the desired minutes. Next, we're going to go back down to return because we're done setting the time. We've got the correct time. We're going to push and hold to get to the next menu. We're not going to make any changes here, but this is where you would change it if you wanted a 24-hour clock or a Spanish language. But we're going to press display till we get down to return. Then we're going to press display and hold it. We're back at the main menu, and since we're not making any more changes here, we're going to push display and hold it to exit out of the settings menu. And I'm going to go back to Eco Savings because that's the screen we like to have when we drive. Thanks for watching, and I hope that helps.